Finding a reliable way to establish or rebuild business credit can feel like an uphill battle, especially when most entry-level options offer very little in return for the risk. The Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards. Secured credit card stands out as a rare exception in the financial world because it manages to bridge the gap between a credit-building tool and a high-value rewards card. This tool is specifically designed for business owners who might have a limited credit history or a lower personal credit score and need a foot in the door with a major institution. Because this is a secured card, it requires an upfront security deposit, which serves as the collateral for the account. The minimum deposit is set at $1,000, which is notably higher than many personal secured cards, but the bank allows that deposit to go as high as $10,000 depending on the needed limit. Essentially, the amount of cash provided upfront becomes the credit limit for the business. While tying up $1,000 might be a hurdle for a brand new startup with tight liquidity, the long-term benefits of this specific structure are significant for those looking to graduate to more traditional financing. One of the most impressive aspects of this card is that it mirrors the rewards structure of premium unsecured cards. Users earn an unlimited 1.5% cashback on every single purchase made for the business. In a category where most secured cards offer no rewards at all, or perhaps a meager 1%, getting 1.5% back is a serious advantage. It means the card actually pays the business back for the spending it was going to do anyway. The value proposition gets even stronger for those who already have a Bank of America business checking account. Through the Preferred Rewards for Business program, that 1.5% base rate can be boosted by 25% to 75%. This could potentially push the flat rate earning up to 2.62%, which is easily one of the highest rates available in the entire industry. This makes the card not just a tool for credit repair, but a legitimate earner for the company bottom line. Beyond the cashback, the card offers a clear path toward financial growth. Bank of America periodically reviews the account, usually starting around the 12-month mark, to see if the business is ready to graduate to an unsecured card. If the account shows a history of responsible use, the bank can return the security deposit and transition the business to a standard credit line. This is a critical feature because it proves the card is a bridge to a better financial future rather than a dead-end product. Additionally, there is a $0 annual fee, which is a major pro for any business owner looking to keep overhead low. Keeping an account open for a long time helps the average age of credit, and doing so for free is a win. The card also provides helpful business tools like access to business credit scores, cash flow management features, and protections like auto rental insurance and extended warranties. However, there are some very real drawbacks that need to be considered before committing $1,000 to this account. The standard APR is 26.99% variable, and there is no introductory 0% APR period. This interest rate is quite high, meaning that carrying a balance from month to month will be extremely expensive and will quickly eat away any rewards earned. The primary goal of this card should be credit building, which requires paying the balance in full every month. Another downside is the 3% foreign transaction fee. For businesses that source inventory from international suppliers or for owners who travel abroad, this fee is a deal breaker because it is double the amount of the standard cash back earned. Furthermore, there is no welcome bonus or sign-up incentive, which is a bit disappointing considering the unsecured version of this card often offers a $300 bonus. It is also important to note that applying for this card typically results in a hard credit pull on the personal credit report of the business owner, even though it is a business product. In summary, this card is an excellent choice for a business owner who needs to build a real business credit profile and can afford to let $1,000 sit in a deposit account. It is especially powerful for existing Bank of America customers who can leverage the rewards bonus. The risks are primarily tied to the high 26.99% variable, APR, and the potential for debt if the card is not paid in full. There is also the risk of losing out on value if the card is used for international purchases due to the 3% foreign transaction fee. Ultimately, if the goal is to move from a secured status to a traditional high-limit business credit line, this is one of the most effective and rewarding tools on the market today. It offers the training wheels necessary for credit growth while providing the high earning potential of a top-tier rewards card, provided the user avoids the high interest rates and international fees.